Hello guys, Friday, still Friday night, and that's the last repair on a Friday. We do have a very cheap phone, say Itel it2160. This phone, let's take out this. We don't need this. It's still new. The phone looks new, but let me show you the problem. You see, the phone is displaying widescreen. That's the problem with this phone. So let's see if this can be fixed. Maybe we have a faulty screen because this looks new. No one opened this before, and that's the last repair on a Friday. Let's see why this phone is displaying widescreen. But widescreen, to me, what we have to check is the screen first. This must be quick. Let me check something on microscope. I can't see like any broken trick, like something, but why this screen is white? Anyway, let's just resolder those pins. Let's resolder those pins. I mean screen connector pins. Just to come with our own solder. Let's see now. On. Look, that's magic. That's magic. You can't believe. You see? You can see what I told you. This phone is new. It's never been used. Okay. Back. Our phone is working. That's magic. So let's close. Our phone is working fine. So that's how you can fix something with magic. Okay. So this job is done. Let me put all the screws. We don't have too many screws, just 4 screws. That's FM. let's disconnect the battery. So if you do believe in magic, that's magic, because I don't, all the pins they were properly soldered. Maybe there was a loose connection, who knows, straight from the manufacturing, because this is a new phone. No one used this phone before. No one used this phone before. On Itel. So our phone is working fine. Everything, all the buttons, everything. You can press all the buttons, you see. So you have a nice weekend, guys. Wherever you are, I just want to thank you for supporting the channel. I've seen a lot of comments, a lot of feedback from the subscribers, which is a good thing. So I'll stop this video now because our phone is fixed. So if you have such kind of small phones with white screen, check the screen connector, okay? In most cases, there is the problem. Check on the pins. What we did, we just resolder the pins and our phone is working fine. We're no longer having white screen. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you next time, guys. Bye.